It's New Year's Eve. We were busy today at work. Oh my goodness. Now I'm coming home and cook. Right now I am making shrimp pasta with mushrooms. Alright, because this is where the kids would like to eat for dinner. So I am sauteing my mushroom. I am sauteing mushrooms and shrimp with butter. Now guys, you can put onions, but I do not put onions in mine because my kids doesn't want to. So, and I am doing semi-homemade, by the way guys, semi-homemade. It is Alfredo sauce with Parmesan cheese. So you can make your own cheese. You can make your own sauce by using milk and cream and sour cream or heavy cream. But I am using that's already in the can or in the bottle. It's probably not healthy. I am sure of it, but it has a lot of sodium guys, 390 milligram. But then you don't need to put salt in it if it's salty. Okay, once again you can make your own sauce, but since I do not have milk and I have sauce available in a can, so might as well use it. You guys, I am doing it easy busy cooking. I am not a chef. I am making it my own judgment. Alright guys, and I will put another can of Alfredo sauce. And you can put rosemary and oregano and butter, of course, pepper, ground pepper. So I am going to heat this up for at least 3 to 5 minutes, and I am going to mix it with my noodles that I already boiled. Alright guys, it will be delicious. Like my little one, Jolie is. She always say, "It's delicious, mommy, as long as there is no vegetable in it." It's too bad I put mushroom in it. She's going to pick out the mushroom. Alright, let's simmer it until 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, it's boiling and it's hot. The sauce is hot. So what I'm going to do is I will put back my linguine pasta. And also, I have mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella cheese. And I have Parmesan cheese. There that go. There's the Parmesan cheese. Let it dance inside the noodles. You guys, I really don't know what I'm cooking. As long as it tastes good, that's good enough for me. As long as my kid will eat, that's good enough for me. So to those who are not a chef, or to those who doesn't like to cook, or to those who doesn't know how to cook, just use the See My Homemade Cooking. See My Homemade Cooking. You have to buy the noodles, of course, the shrimp. The shrimp is already deveined and peel off the shell, and just buy whatever vegetables you want to put. You can also put spinach in it, but once again, my kids doesn't like spinach and vegetable in their noodles, but you can add spinach and onion. And my husband, when he's ready to eat, he just add sriracha sauce. Alright, let's taste it, guys. Let's taste it. Taste it with the shrimp. Once again, you do not overcook the shrimp, guys, because that is easy to cook. Maybe it's like 2 to 5 or 2 to 3 minutes cooking of the shrimp. See that, guys? You don't need to put salt in it because unless if you make your own homemade sauce, you put salt in it. But since if you are using See My Homemade sauce, like from the store already ready to use, you don't need to put salt because usually it's salty, and also the shrimp is salty. Remember that salt is not good for you anyway. It's tasty, guys, tasty. Let's put something. Turn it off, and let's put it in our big serving tray. Here you go, guys. This is what I made. See My Homemade Cooking. It's a pasta linguine with mushroom and shrimp with butter and the Alfredo sauce. You can make your own Alfredo sauce by using sour cream or heavy cream and milk and salt and pepper to taste. But since I am busy, I always use See My Homemade sauce. There you go. You should make it. It's very easy.